Technic Power says hello to a new video. In today's video we want to show you how you can get into the service menu of your Sony Android TV model 2021. What you can do there, how it works, you will find out after the intro. We have a Sony Android TV model 2021 here, and with this we want to go into the service menu. First of all, no value changes here. We do not take any liability should the TV no longer work properly. We just want to show you that there is such a thing, but as I said, the instructions are at your own risk, so don't change anything here. To get into the service menu, press the button I on the remote control, then the button 5, the volume minus and the power button. So the button I, then the 5, the volume minus and the power button. Of course, you would have to turn off the TV beforehand, and we will do that now. So I, 5, volume minus, turn on, and if everything was successful, you will get this message here. Then this window will appear for you. We go to back with the OK key and with model information. If you press the arrow key to the right, then you will see here with model information which model you have and the serial number. Then you also have the status information here. Here you can also see the boot version and which software versions you have. Go back again. Then there is the self-diagnosis here, that is, the self-diagnosis. You can see that everything is fine here, everything is at 0. So back again. You can test video and audio here. You even have a video test pattern here, which means you can set that here now. If you think you have a pixel error, go back. Then there are the general settings here. Here you can see this point, for example. Ship confirm is grayed out, for example. That would be for factory reset now. Go back again. The tuners. Here we see the status of the first and second tuner. We have a triple tuner device here. Then Wi-Fi. So we see our Wi-Fi here. We can ping the whole thing. And finally, we have this point here, service menu. Here I can, for example, import or export the software from USB stick to the stick, the self-diagnosis. So, as I said, nothing changes here. We don't take any liability here. With back you come back to the normal TV program. This does not work with exit, but with back or with the TV button. If you have any questions, use our website. Subscribe to our channel. Then you're always up to date. Technic Bao says thanks for watching and goodbye.